Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you from the Insta360 booth, and I have something pretty interesting. So I have been one never to get a vlog camera or anything of that nature, just because I feel they kind of get updated too quickly, and then I'm like, well, I wanted the old Hero 816, you know, all that kind of stuff. But Insta has done something pretty interesting, and that is kind of create a modular based camera system that you can actually upgrade as you want to. So this little part right here is actually the brain of it all. It comes with the screen, and then you have the battery that it connects to. Then you have the different cameras you can get. So first off, you have the 360 camera, obviously keeping with their tradition. But then if you want to, you can also upgrade it to a 4K camera. So this is gonna make it incomparable with different cameras on the market, from DJI to GoPro. And this will be comparable to that. But then they have one step further, and that is this beauty right here. This will record with a 1-inch camera sensor. That is pretty rare at this size, and definitely kind of an upgrade, a reason why you would want to go with this, besides the stabilization, over a smartphone. So that is really interesting to me. And this is really wide. It goes up to 5K.3, I want to say, video resolution too. So really good when it comes to it. Now let's show you how to put it together. And again, you can kind of switch all these around. So we can kind of just push these two in, and you can do it either way. So you can do it this way if you want to do vlogging, or you can do it this way if you want to kind of film like action footage or whatever you want to film. So this way, we'll do it right now, just see how the vlog works. And there we have that. And then you connect the battery piece. You just have to make sure you match the prongs to each other. Gonna click it in. There we go. There we go. And then you can turn it on. And it takes a little while sometimes because it is configuring a new setup each time if you keep switching it. If you don't, it goes right away. And now it is seeing a huge wide angle, and you have camera, video, and then you also have bullet time if you want to go slow motion, and then also shift time. So you have a lot of different ones, but really cool in terms of it and just how it is. I really love the idea of this because, again, I can just upgrade it later to have better quality to what I want. So overall, I'm really loving the idea of something like this over GoPro or DJI. And this is definitely something that a lot of people should be paying attention to, because if you can get an upgraded action cam, that's way better than what we currently have on the market. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.